Okay, so now the next the next deployment window I want us to check or look at is how we fit use deploy to Vercel. Super simple, super straight, super cool, right? Okay, so make we do that quickly, right? So the first thing first, now say make I enter Vercel. Amazing. Of course, NextJS is developed by the Vercel team, right? So obviously theirs should be much more easier, right, to deploy on Vercel. So why my Vercel they try load up, the first thing I need to do now to come to my GitHub, right? So what I want to do for GitHub, I to make sure say this my code they on GitHub, because this guy will allow us to do some pipeline integration, right? Makes sense, right? Okay, so make we call next deploy Vercel. So I just put that like that, right? And so you check whether that name they are available. Of course it's available. So quickly make I just copy within there. So first thing first, now for me to do git init, we go get a special class on this guy, right? So git, on how to use git and the rest. So I need to make sure so we get that class, right? So git hard, to add all those files, then which I copy. Oops, I thought I since I copy. So make I just copy here, just paste this and hit enter. So once you do that finish, yeah, automatically go fit. We know they see this thing again, so this code will get locally here. We did this our remote branch here now. Okay, so brilliant. So we get this here, which is good. Now the next thing we'll need to do now to come back to Vercel. So inside Vercel here, so I will just come say I want do a new project, right? So just click on that. So Vercel gonna say okay, I try one create a new project. So waiting I need to do now to, so I need to get my repository, but no problem. So make I just even make a may start from fresh, right? Okay, good. Okay, so now the point now say, so upon Vercel loading, right, I suppose see this new repo I just create, right? Because all my repos now go there, yeah, but are they, oh sorry, so are they another branch? So make I come to the text, right? So now there be the main branch or the main account, right? So I dey wait for them to load up. Okay, so now we don't load up, right? So we dey see this now. So make I hit on import. So make you import that folder, so you don't import them, right? And you can just ask me, okay, what framework am I using? Of course, not NextJS, but if not be NextJS I dey use, I need to find the framework what they use, right? So since not NextJS I dey use the rules, blah blah. I don't really need to do anything here, and most importantly, I don't put the environment variable here, so no need. But if you get environment variable, now here you go come put all your environment variable. And your output here, you go do one or two settings, but for this our app we need to do anything. So I'll just click on deploy, boom, that's it. Simple. So make we wait. Vercel is super fast, right? So in no time we go get the stuff. So it's deploying, and once it's done with that, we go see the code. Makes sense. Okay, waiting. So you feel even the readers so that at least you understand waiting they happen here. So now you don't generate the static pages then. And congratulations. Congratulations. Right, so I feel hit on go to the dashboard, right? So once I hit on that, it open, and so this one here now be my URL. So if I click it open, and this is it. So now it's if you give your friends then be this. So it's what you just build, right? So once you send this to them, everybody go see this. Now the cool thing with Vercel is not really like the cool thing, but one of the good advantage with Vercel is that it has CI/CD pipeline in it already. So make I test them. So for here now we say get started, get to dev, right? So here make we say start coding, something like that, right? So I say start coding. So if we save this here, of course we will see okay, so so now come here to npm run dev. So if we run that, so this one are the new project, but this one are the one where we say we use for our previous class, right? Okay, so make I run this, make it load, and we do that start coding, right? So here we say get started, get to dev, right? And so we're still waiting for it to compile. Anyways, why if they try to compile, the next thing what I will want to do, right? Because the most important thing I say we see them online, right? So make this thing build finish. Okay, so I'll say git hard and make I commit those few changes where I make there, and I'll say okay added started, whatever that one means. So okay, so good. Then the last thing I'll go to now to push them, right? So the moment I push them, I want make una see what thing will happen. Okay, so yesterday struggle to push, and that's because of network. Okay, so brilliant. Now we don't push, right? Mona see wetin go happen here. So make I start. So for here first off, may I just refresh here. So you will see something here, this thing here telling you say the action they go on. So if I click on them and I say okay, I want to see the detail. So if we come here, because we push to the main branch, right? And because we put, so this thing suppose load here, right? So because we push to the main branch, right? A build command will automatically trigger. This network no one gonna enjoy this thing. So a build command will automatically trigger, right? So that build command then be waiting they run here. So I want to see the log of that build command. The thing will don't build finish, because it's super fast and very few command I will just put there, so it already build finish anyways. So this is the site, right? So it's what they see before, but here suppose don't change, right? So if I refresh, you see this start coding. Oh right, inside here, right? So once you do any change, you just push the change, right? You push the change to GitHub, you will see the change automatically trigger here. That one now for Vercel. So in the next class, right, this same code, right, we will see how we use deploy and for render, right? Different platform where you feel use deploy your code for free. I mean, this is amazing, right? So waiting on to stop you to be a better developer. See you guys in the next class. Yeah.